Good morning, students. Today we'll continue with the quadratic equation statement sums. The first question today is the sum of reciprocals of reciprocal of Ram age three years ago and 5 years hence is 1/3. Find his present age. Solution. Let Ram's present age be x. 3 years ago. 3 years ago, Ram's age will be x minus 3, and 5 years hence, Ram's age will be x plus 5. Reciprocal 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. LCM will be x minus 3, x plus 5. So it will be x plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. 2x plus 2 into 3 is equal to x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. So it will be 6x plus 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15, or x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now we'll do the splitting of middle term. Second sum is, in a class test, sum of marks, and in class test the sum of Rahul's marks in maths and English is 30. Had he got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product of marks would have been 210. Find his marks in English and maths. So let is marks in maths bx. Total marks is 30. So then the marks in English will be 30 minus x. Now Stack says, had he got 2 marks more in maths? According to question, maths is x plus 2. English is 3 marks less. 30 minus x minus 3. 27 minus x. Then the product will be 210. So 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x is equal to 210. X square minus 25x plus 210 minus 54 is equal to 0. X square minus 25x minus 150 plus 156 is equal to 0. Now I will do the splitting of middle term. Question number 3. Question number 3 is the diagonal of rectangle is 60 more than the shorter side. The diagonal of a rectangle is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the sides of it. So whenever you have a geometrical figure, draw the figure first. Let the shorter side be x and the diagonal will be 60 more, x plus 60, and the longer side is x plus 30. So this is a right angle triangle. That means x square plus x plus 30 whole square is equal to x plus 60 whole square. So x square plus 900 plus 60x is equal to x square plus 120x plus 3600. This is cancelled. X square plus 60x minus 120x plus 900 minus 3600 is equal to 0. X square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. 90 and 30 are the factors. Question number 4. Difference between the square of two number is 180. Difference between squares of two number is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger. Find numbers. Let first number be x, second number be 5. So x square plus y square is equal to 180. Difference between the square of two numbers is 180. Larger. Now the larger is difference. Larger of 2 is this smaller. The smaller number. Smaller is y. The smaller is 8 times the larger. The square of smaller is 8 times the larger. This is 2. Substituting x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. You will find from here x and y both. Question number 5. Question number 5 is sum of area of 2 square. Sum of area of 2 squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24, find the sides of 2 squares. Simple. Let 2 square, let the side of first square be x and second square be y. And sum of x square plus y square is equal to 468. If the difference between perimeter means 4x minus 4y is equal to 24, x minus y is equal to 24. From here you find value of x is equal to 24 minus y. You will substitute 24 minus y whole square plus y square is equal to 468. So 24 square is 576 plus y square minus 48. Y plus y square minus 468 is equal to 0. So it will be 2y square minus 48y, 576 minus 468, this is 8, this is 0 and this is 1. Plus 108 is equal to 0 divided by 2, y square minus 24y plus 54 is equal to 0. 54 is 2, 27, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. It will be 6. It will be 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. It will be 6. It will be 36, or it will be 12y. So it will be 12y, or this will be 468, 432. Or this will be 12. Divided by 2, 6y plus 2, 16 is equal to 0. So this is ठीक है जी. So 216, 2108, 254, 227, 3, 9, 9 2s are 18, y square minus 18y plus 12y plus 260. We are able to solve.